Hi, I am Prince Singh.
And I'm Avni Rawat.
We are here to address about importance of law.
What is law? Law is a system of rules and regulations established by a governing authority to regulate behavior, maintain order, and ensure justice within a society. It encompasses statutes, regulations, and judicial precedents that govern how individual and institution interact, resolve disputes, and addresses violations. Laws are enforced by institutions like the police and judiciary, and they can vary significantly between different jurisdictions.
So, why do we actually need law and what is the actual importance of law? So, the importance of law lies in its role as a system of rules and regulations that govern society. Laws are essential for maintaining order, protecting individual rights, and ensuring justice. They provide a framework for resolving dispute, preventing harm, and promoting social stability by establishing standards of behavior and consequences for violence. Laws helps to ensure that society functions smoothly and fairly.
Now we are going to discuss the four important points of importance of law. First, fairness and justice. Fairness and justice are fundamental principles in the realm of law, serving as the cornerstones for the legal system. Fairness refers to the equitable treatment of individuals, ensuring that laws are applied consistently without bias. It involves the idea that all people should have equal access to legal processes and the decision should be made impartially, considering the specific circumstances of each case. Justice, on the other hand, is a broader concept, encompassing the pursuit of moral and ethical correctness within the legal system. It involves not only the fair application of laws, but also the promotion of societal well-being and the rectification of wrongs. Justice seeks to balance the rights and responsibilities of individuals, ensuring the legal outcomes contribute to the greater good and uphold moral standards. Both fairness and justice are crucial in ensuring that laws serve their intent purpose to protect rights, maintain order, and promote a just society.
Second point, protection of rights. The protection of right is a fundamental importance of law, emphasizing that legal systems are designed to safeguard individual freedoms and entitlements. The principle ensures that every person has their inherent right, such as those related to freedom of speech, privacy, and due process, recognized and upheld by the legal framework. Protection of right involves enforcement of legal rights, prevention of discriminations, granting of fair treatments. In essence, the protection of right is crucial for maintaining a just and equitable society, ensuring that individuals are respected and their freedoms are preserved.
Third point, economic stability. Economic stability is a critical point for importance of law as it pertains to the creation and maintenance of a predictable and secure economic environment. This stability is crucial for fostering growth, investment, and prosperity within a society. Economic stability through law involves regulation of markets, protection of property rights, enforcement of contracts, fiscal and monetary policies. In summary, economic stability maintained by legal structure helps create a conducive environment for economic activities, encouraging investment, fostering trust, and promoting overall economic health.
Fourth point, social order. The social order is a crucial importance of law as it's referred to maintenance of organized and orderly behavior within a society. Laws are designed to establish and enforce norms and standards that regulate conduct, helping to ensure that individuals and groups interact harmoniously. Social order through law involves regulating of behaviors, resolution of disputes, protection of public safety, promotion of stability. Overall, social order maintained by laws ensure a functioning and a stable society where individuals can live and interact in a secured, predictable manner.
A significant case in India that highlights the importance of law is Keshwananda Bharti versus State of Kerala 1973. In this landmark decision, the Supreme Court of India addressed the issue of constitutional amendments and the basic structure doctrine. Keshwananda Bharti, a religious leader, challenged the constitutionality of several amendments made by the Indian Parliament. arguing that they violated fundamental rights and altered the essential features of the Constitution. The Supreme Court, in a historic ruling, established the basic doctrine structure, which holds that certain fundamental features of the Constitution cannot be altered by amendments. This doctrine has become a cornerstone of Indian constitutional law, ensuring that the core principles of democracy, justice, and the rule of law are preserved despite changes in political or legislative dynamics. This case is crucial as it balances parliamentary sovereignty with constitutional limits, safeguarding the fundamental framework of the Indian Constitution.
In conclusion, the importance of law is a fundamental to the orderly and fair functioning of society. Laws establish essential guidelines for behavior, protect individual rights, and ensure justice by creating a structure to system for resolving dispute and addressing misconduct. Laws contribute to social stability and the overall well-being of community. Without a robust legal framework, maintaining order and achieving equity would be significantly more challenging. Thank you.
Thank you.